We've got some slithering friends coming into Great Falls, as you can see here. So we're going to learn a little bit about them. James, can you tell me about your critters?
Absolutely. So the guy we have around your neck is a Vietnamese blue beauty snake. He's just checking me out too, like wondering if I'm dinner. This is a Utah banded Gila monster. These guys are venomous and they're super cool. This is Little Boy Blue. He is a patternless diamondback terrapin. These guys are actually from the United States and super chill animals. These guys rarely bite too. They make like the best pets in the world. These are baby Gigi skinks. Look at these cute little buggers, cheeky little monkeys. And this is an adult. And these guys are live bearing animals.
Their tails look like they have armor. So at the expo, you're going to have lots of different animals on display.
Right.
Can you tell me a little bit about the date, the time? Oh, is there a cost to go?
The 26th, starting at 10 a.m. for general admissions, or if you've already purchased a VIP pass, then you can show up at 9 and beat the big crowds, beat the rush. We have vendors that bring animals that are breeders from Montana and from a few other states as well. And then we also have vendors that come from all the way out California. We have Triple L that's coming out that bring a ton of supplies. And then we have local vendors at 11 o'clock a.m. and 2 p.m. are the James of the Jungle kids shows that are super hands-on. You don't have to be a VIP. The kids get to hold the animals, touch the animals. They get to take pictures with the animals. And we poke a lot of fun at the parents, and it's a good time. It's a really good time.
Awesome. Well, we're looking forward to it. Thank you again for bringing all these guys out.
Yeah.
And in Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.